You've probably had it for years, but you love it so much, you don't want to part with it. Your favorite lipstick, concealer, or eyeshadow that you just can't bear to toss. Old makeup not only works less efficiently, it can do major damage to your skin. And when it comes to your eyes, bacteria buildup can actually cause infections and pink eye. Here's what I suggest to get started with a little spring cleaning of your makeup bag. Conduct a makeup inventory. It's just like taking an inventory of your closet. It's also important to regularly, go through the inventory of your cosmetics. Plus, if you're aware of what you already have, you won't waste money buying more of the same stuff. So give yourself time depending on how much of a cosmetic junkie you are, because I know for me, I need lots of space. Then get out all of your makeup. Separate your products into different piles. Then, if you have any old powder puffs or even makeup brushes that are falling apart, get rid of them. Go through your makeup and toss what's expired. Let me break it down for you as to when makeup expires, because most makeup does not have an expiration date on the packaging. So, first of all, foundation. Foundation lasts 1 or 2 years after you purchase it, depending on whether it's oil-based or water-based. If the foundation is darker than when you purchased it, and I'm talking, much darker, or if it's separating, throw it out. Eyeshadow. Eyeshadow lasts 2 years or less. So toss it out as soon as you notice any discoloration or crustiness around the edges. Same goes for blush. Eye and lip pencils. 1 year typically is how long they last. Eyeliner and lip liner will pretty much stop working when it's past its prime. Lipstick, only 1 to 2 years. Toss it if it starts to feel dry or gummy. And then mascara, 3 to 4 months tops. It is not worth risking an eye infection. Okay, now I want to hear from you. What is the one thing that you just have the hardest time parting with in your makeup bag? For me, it's my favorite lipstick color. It's so hard to get rid of.